Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Molives TV. Another day, another adventure. Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Molives. I'm a flight attendant, and I bring you along with the journey of my life. And I'm on a 3-day trip right now. But it's not just me, because I'm bringing along a friend, my boy Davey Hansen. Let's go. As a flight attendant, every single year I get one person to put on my benefits. I get free flights on my airline for the entire year. Yo, Davey, do me a favor. Can you open that coat pocket, dog? Where are we going right now, Dave?
We going to BWI real quick.
Yep.
For a hot minute.
Yep.
And we hopping out.
Yep.
Going out to LAX.
LAX. So we've had this trip planned for like a couple months now, but you know the funds are a little lacking in the Molives household. I was like, damn, I can't really make it, bro. But I pulled a few strings because that's what I do, and I was able to get 2 LA layovers. So me, Davey Hansen, I'm working Davey's flight from Baltimore to LA. So Davey's been on one of my flights before, eh?
Not while you worked.
No?
No, we've been on one together.
Oh yeah.
Multiple together, but
yeah, those were good flights. Those were we had good flights. But guys, if you are not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash a like on this video, and we'll see you in a little bit.
I'm balling in the hills with my team, and you're falling with your team. Why you gotta sell fake dreams? Every dirty laundry are clean, and I see.
Is Davey a window guy, or like what does Davey do?
bro,
Like
the thing is, I just travel so much that I've been at each different spot so many times. It's kind of up in the air. They're all good for different.
So where have you been lately?
Last I was in Mystic for a conference. Yeah, so I flew down there.
like 20 minutes down the road.
Yeah, so I flew down there in my car. But
my girl Verania is working in the front of the cabin. She says she follows me on IG. So if you guys want to follow her right here, at Verania _something. It's on the screen right here. So go follow her. It's our Molives says thank you for following the squad.
I've been flying in and out. I've been flying in and out.
Yo, you excited for your flight, bro? Dope?
Yo, it's just another day in the life, bro.
Yep. Bro, you know what's funny?
LAX for the weekend, man.
You know what's funny, bro? You like say a lot, but you actually say nothing.
Hey, we're going out to LA, man. It's Suave's birthday. You know we hitting Perch, Standard. We're gonna do our thing.
Yeah?
No doubt.
Alright, well I'm not going out tonight though.
Why not?
Bro, it's 11-hour overnight. I just can't do it, bro. Tomorrow,
11 hours, bro.
Tomorrow in 18 hours, I'm down. Today, I just can't swing.
What's the difference between 11 and 18?
7.
Wow.
Yeah. Davey, how was your flight, buddy?
Oh man, it was phenomenal, bro.
I'm sorry?
It was phenomenal.
Phenomenal?
Yeah.
Yeah, still not going with you, bro.
Well, why not?
Alright, no, I'm coming.
Alright.
Nah, I'm not going.
What do you mean? Uber's on me, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah?
They're right down the road.
Bro, it's not happening.
They're over here.
I understand where they are. It's just not happening. Bro, maybe I will. Maybe I want to get up and get a workout in. Because I didn't get one in today.
Yeah, right.
Wow,
bro.
come on, dude. Come on, bro.
You could have ran with me.
When did you run?
Today?
Uh-huh.
2 o'clock.
Oh, you had to check your phone? Bro, that's funny because our flight was at 1:30. Alright, yo.
Be lame. Some people gotta be lame.
Wow, bro. I give you a flight and you start talking crap, huh?
That's how it goes, bro.
You're gonna have zero fun tonight anyway, so that's the thing. But you guys will see Dave tomorrow.
But he doesn't want to come out with me tonight. Let me bring the camera.
Yeah?
let
want
Davey Hance.
All right, here, grab the.
Let Davey Hance
There you go.
show you guys a
Bro,
good time.
drop that.
Molives does not know how to show you a good time. Davey Hance out here, yeah. Peace out. Peace out, Mo. All right. It's just us tonight, folks. Molives TV having the Davey Hance takeover. You don't even understand what we're getting into right now. I'll show you a little, and we out.
Alright, give me this thing. Alright, guys, sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry I had to endure that for 25 seconds. You know, your boy just can't go out tonight. You know, sometimes you gotta take care of yourself. I don't care what day of the week it is, if it's Friday, if it's Saturday, if it's Schnozberry's day, you know, your boy's not going out. I'm chilling, 11 hours. Tomorrow, that's a different story. You know what I'm saying, Stephanie? Yeah. I know, that's what I'm saying. We got 2 beds, not too shabby. We got the view of pretty much nothing, LAX a little bit, and you guys know what's up. Woo-wee! Shout out Vivi. I'm having a hot date with this bed because I'm not going out tonight. It's Friday night. I do not care. Guys, literally, if you're not feeling it on a Friday night, I don't care if your friends are like, yo, come out. Like, I've been out in LA a million times. I'm going to go out tomorrow night. I can't be going out 2 nights in a row because I'm trying to be an adult. I'm trying to be an adult in my finances, my body, my health, you know what I'm saying? And it's a journey. So it all starts with not eating Dunkaroos all day, you know. Can't eat Dunkaroos all day. Expect to have a 12-pack, you know. I've told you guys this once. I'll tell you a million times. And yeah, you gotta get a good workout in the morning. And then we work tomorrow 2 flights. Puerto Vallarta, back to LA. It's Hance's oldest brother, Suave. You guys will meet him tomorrow. Damn, actually Dan's gonna be there too. The only one we're missing is Maddie Hance, damn. So you guys are gonna meet Chris Hance and Dan Hance tomorrow. Both extremely, extremely entertaining characters. You guys are actually gonna love them, for real. I literally took 24 hours off of IG the other day. And if you guys haven't done that, would implore you to do that 100%. You realize that like it's meaningless. Everything on Instagram is meaningless. Like yeah, you see like cool pictures of like your friends sometimes, but 99% of the time it's people you don't even care about. And it's like anyone that I want to contact, I have their phone number. So that's what I did. I was like texting, calling like my actual friends, talking to humans. I know, it's weird, right? It's kind of weird. But yeah, you guys should definitely try it. It changed a little bit for me, you know. At the beginning, I was like, damn, I need to get on IG. And it was like weird. I'm like, wow, I think I'm like kind of addicted to this. But I don't know. I would say get off it. Yeah, that's the end of that rant. But guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. It's going to be way more lit than today was. Today was actually kind of a short episode. But tomorrow, we're going out with the boys. We're having a crazy day. We're going to Mexico, and then we're going out downtown LA. It's going to be crazy. You're going to meet... Guys, if you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash the like on this video, and you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button, and let's fly, baby.